Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make potions in 99 Nights in the Forest, and this is the most recent update. And basically what you want to do is you want to just make your way over to the campfire first, and once you spawn by the campfire you will see the cauldron, and above the cauldron you will see 3 ingredients. It might change more you progress, but essentially you just want to bring those 3 ingredients. So that's 2 raw meat from the bunnies, that's 1 coal, and that's the 2 frog eyes. You want to basically just go ahead and put that in the cauldron. Once you have it, you can also open the book just to see specifically what everything is. And once you have it, sorry, it's called stairweed, but anyways, once you have it, you can just go ahead and drop it in the thing and you guys will be good to go. Again, you just want to, so the stairweed, the eye looking thing, you actually have to get it from the fairy, so you can't just find it on the ground or anything like that. So you do have to progress enough to where you could find the fairy. But let's go ahead and just get the first ingredients. But basically once you have the ingredients, you just throw them in the cauldron, just like how I'm about to do right now. There we go. Now that there's a check mark, which means we are done with that specific task. So you could just play normally, you could just go make your campfire bigger, etc. And then once it is big enough, you can go ahead and go to the fairy, which is going to be like the actual hard thing. Coal should be pretty easy as well. You can just find coal anywhere on the floor. But anyways, once you have enough seeds or whatever to purchase from the fairy, you can go ahead and buy 2 of those, the starweed, or stairweed I believe it was called. Yeah, stairweed. And yeah, once you have enough, you can go ahead and just drop them in the cauldron and you guys should be good to go. And so that is how you make a potion. So yeah, that should be it for the video. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.